all this thing because my brother don't live all this lifestyle.
What's up, guys? Thank you all for tuning in again, and welcome to another episode. A new week of me trying to move $200 to $2,000. Actually, today is Tuesday. I couldn't record yesterday because I was super busy, but that didn't stop me from looking at the chart. I looked at the chart, I did some analysis as of yesterday. I took a trade on BTC which ended at break even, and today set another entry order, and as God may have it, to the glory of God, the market triggered me and it went straight to my take profit. Though it didn't really hit my take profit, it was just about 3 pips or 4 pips for it to hit my take profit, but I closed before it even hit my take profit. And guess what? Immediately I closed this trade, this market started reversing. Can you imagine? It started reversing. So I was able to bag 1:11 hours on this trade. And aside that, I took a trade on BTC earlier this afternoon, which hit my stop, but I was able to recover the loss through this GBJPY trade that gave me 11 hours. So we have the second trade checking, because right now the balance of this account is around $608. So which is the second target we are supposed to meet. So I think the account balance is sitting around $611 now. So we are good. So I am done trading for today. Hopefully tomorrow we'll get another good trade. But please, if you are coming across my channel for the first time, you want to subscribe, please make sure to hit that like button, leave a comment and subscribe. Okay, so I'll catch you guys again on the next one tomorrow. So catch you guys later. What's up, guys? It's Wednesday here today, and today is FOMC. Today is FOMC, but I'm just glad that FOMC is taking place sometime in the evening, I think around 7 p.m. So I'm fine because I don't take trades by that time. But even if I'm going to be on any setup, I'm going to either close that trade or adjust my stop loss to protect a significant amount, to lock in a significant amount of profits, because the market can misbehave. But anyway, I'm currently in on a trade on gold, and this trade almost stopped me out, but made a very fine recovery, and I'm still in on the trade, making good amount of profits, and I've moved my stop loss to break even. So that trade now is running risk free. And just a couple of minutes ago, I think about 5 minutes ago, I went in on a trade on BTC. So a trade BTC is running in profit too, but it's still around my entry. Hopefully it will go well. But remember, according to my rule, even though I have broken even on gold, I'm still risking the normal percent as if the gold trade is not running, because I have not closed the gold trade yet in profit. And remember, any running profit you have when trading is not yet yours. That's why I don't jubilate, even if I'm in on a trade and the trade is running a profit. I don't jubilate. I don't get happy, because I know that money is not yet mine until that trade is closed, and even if until the money is even withdrawn, that profit is not yet yours. You are seeing your profit running on your MT5 and you're already jubilating. You are taking screenshots, you are showing people, I am making $500. You are making, but you've not made that money. That money is still in the house of your broker because you've not yet closed that trade. So even though this gold trade is going fine right now, anything can happen. I just hope it goes well and hit my TP, and I make good amount of profit. So if this gold trade hit my TP, I will hit the $1,000 mark. Wouldn't that be wonderful? We'll be halfway to $2,000. So hopefully BTC too will go well and we'll make good profit. So catch you guys later. Okay, what's up, guys? It's Thursday, and sorry that this video is looking so dull. The weather isn't really bright today, but nevertheless I still have to make this video. Yesterday started well, but didn't end as, I won't say it ended badly, but it didn't end according to how I pictured it to end. Like I said earlier, yesterday, the previous slide, that yesterday was FOMC, which was supposed to hold around 7 p.m. I'm kind of mad at myself because I didn't follow a particular plan. I was thinking that since when it was FOMC was going to take place around 7 p.m, I was thinking that the market would hit my TP no matter how slow the market gets. at least gold was going to hit my tip and I'll be out of the market before the news hit. But it didn't play out like that. Just like as you can see the chart on your screen, the market was already almost close to my take profit zone. But FOMC hit and the market reversed and stopped me out at break even. And in the previous slide, I said if I am still in the market and time of the news gets near, I was going to adjust my stop loss up a bit and secure at least a huge amount of profit for myself, so that even if the market reversed due to the news, I will not walk out of the trade with nothing. But I don't know. I forgot. Honestly, I honestly forgot. I forgot that I made such plan. I don't know whether it's because I did not write it down, but I actually forgot. And it was after the news hit, in fact, after like about an hour, that I remembered when I was going through the videos I had made for this vlog. I remember that I saw that I said something like this. And that was when I was like, oh shit, that I've messed up. But it's fine. BTC too stopped me out at break even. Both trades were going well before the news hit, but both trades stopped me out at break even. And what hurts me the most is that this trade, like, they went so well that I crossed the $1,000 mark. Because I actually crossed the $1,000 mark in equity, in floating profit. But end of the day, all the profit went back to the market, and I closed yesterday with exactly the capital that I started yesterday with. So hopefully today will be better. I will see a setup to, get back those profits that we lost back to the market yesterday. Okay, so what's up, guys? Today was a loss day for me. Today ended in a loss. I saw about 3 setups today, but I took only one. I saw a setup on GBPUSD, I saw a setup on gold, I saw a setup on BTC, I saw a setup on GBPY. In fact, 4 setups. I saw a setup on every single pair that I played, but I decided to pick the one that I was much more comfortable with, the one that the confluence looked best to me. And that setup was on GBPY. And guess what? It ended in a loss. I lost about $74 on that trade. Hopefully tomorrow, being Friday, we'll make up the loss and profit. We are still in profit in the account. This is the current balance of the account, so we are still in profit in the account. So I'll let you guys know how tomorrow goes. Catch you guys later. What's up, guys? It's Friday. Another trading week has ended. I had my first loss of the week yesterday. I took 2 losses, the 2 trades I took. In fact, every setup I forecasted on Thursday yesterday, everything hit stop loss. Everything hit stop loss. So I took 2 losses yesterday because the GBJPY limit order later triggered at 9, and I had 2 losses yesterday. And today I set a limit order on BTC and on gold. So since morning they were yet to trigger, but BTC triggered this evening, I think around 5 p.m. or thereabout, but it's running in drawdown now. I don't know if it has even hit my stop by now. While for gold is here to trigger me in. So this week was a week that started sweet but ended with sort of a roller coaster, and that is just the reality of trading. This journey, this challenge I've given myself to move $200,000 to, I'm calling $200,000. See prophecy. But this challenge I'm in on moving $200 to $2,000, I'm not giving myself any time limits. I'm doing it just gradually. I got some comments in the previous episode. Someone was asking if I give myself a time limit on when to pass this challenge, and I'm going to use this opportunity to answer that I don't give myself time limit to pass any challenge. Even when I was trading prop accounts, I don't give myself time limit, because if you do that, you will be pressured that you end up making series of mistakes. You end up making rash decisions, and at the end of the day, you end up blaming your capital. Even a normal businessman who goes to the market every day, who goes to his shop every day, does not give himself a particular amount to make at the end of the week or at the end of the day. He doesn't even know the amount that he will make. All he knows is that at the end of the month or at the end of the year, he has a particular figure in mind that he wants to make. But he can't tell the market or his shop when that money is going to come, because he's not in control of the customers. All he just has to do is just, do his business strategy, make sure his shops are clean, make sure he has goods in the market, make sure he looks for customers, make sure he talks to the customers well, and hopefully they buy it for him and he makes profit. At the end of the day, he tries to compound those profits to meet the target that he wants to meet. Same as Forex trading. You don't tell the market when the market is going to give you profit. All you just have to do is do your analysis, stay disciplined, follow your strategy, do your risk management, and hope that you make profit from the market. And with time, you try to compound those little profits to make something tangible, something good that will close to your target or more than your target that you can take home. So that is just my mentality or my mindset. And I believe it is the right mindset as a Forex trader. So that is that. So I'm just going to keep doing this challenge little by little, taking it little by little with my risk management. And hopefully, in no distant time, I will hit the $2,000 goal. So that is that. Please, if you're watching this video to this moment, please make sure to like, leave a comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on the notification icon so that you can get notified when I upload the next episode of me trying to move $200 to $2,000 as a Forex trader without a mentor. So see you guys again next weekend. Do have a wonderful weekend and bye.